I need to try a bit of this.
I'll only take a couple of candies.
Oh, delish!
Ah, yummy.
It was surprisingly delicious. Right, I need to wash the bowl quickly before Sue sees it.
I have no idea what came over me. Right, I need to throw the wrappers away before Sam sees them. Hi Sam, what's up?
Nothing. Going to bed.
Me too. Good night.
Good night.
What? What's this? Why is everything so big? Oh, what happened to my arms and legs? I feel weird. Oh no! Oh no! Sam!
Sue, I'm coming! Oh, something feels wrong. Why is everything so small?
Sam, is that you in there?
Sue, is that you?
What happened?
What is the last thing you remember?
I ate a candy. Oh, or a whole vase of candies.
And I ate your salad.
And we went to bed.
I get it! Those must have been magical candies and salad, and we've switched our bodies!
Oh no! How can we switch back? We have a video to shoot today. Oh!
Right, Sue. Calm down. Oh, I can't believe I'm the one who's calming you down. But you always have a plan, right?
Well, yes, of course. Listen, brush your hair. At least, my hair.
Oh, I've never done it before. So, hairbrush?
Yes, take the hairbrush.
Like this?
Yes, and brush your hair.
Oh, it feels nice.
Oh, Sam, I have no idea how we're gonna shoot that video. We're making a craft that requires a lot of patience.
Susie, I'll do my best.
How do you usually do it? Oh, this is fun! Ha! Oh, what's that? I think my eye is itchy.
An itchy eye? I don't remember this happening to me.
Oh, it's really itchy. Oh!
An eye, huh? How do you do things with a nose like this?
Well, you'll have to get used to the nose. We're making Tetraflexagons today.
Tetra what?
Tetraflexagons. Well, here. Oh.
Here?
Yes.
Looks easy enough. Just drawing some lines. Oh, Sue! I'll be right back!
Sam, where are you going? Even in my body, that slime can't sit still and make a craft. So we're going to need a piece of paper.
This piece of paper?
Yes, and why are your hands stained with chocolate?
Well, I needed a little snack.
Sam!
Fine, I won't run off again. What do I need to do? Oh, to draw lines on a piece of paper.
This piece of paper is 10 by 25 centimeters. We need to divide it into sections of 4 centimeters each. Things look funny from this angle.
And 4 centimeters look so small from your point of view.
And I'm all sticky now. I'll go wash myself. And you stay here.
Fine. Drawing lines. Easy peasy.
This is even more convenient than I thought. That's why Sam's so fast. Right. Oh. How does Sam get up there? Wait, I think I need to go. Let this remain a secret. I'll wash myself and run along. Sam!
I thought you were in the bathroom!
And I thought you were making a Tetraflexagon.
Well, it wasn't coming out so good. And then your stomach started rumbling. I thought I had to feed it something other than candies.
What's that?
A sandwich.
Do you want to poison yourself?
I can't understand what I want, so I added everything I found.
I see. I need to teach you how to cook and fast.
Go ahead.
What about the Tetraflexagon?
I can't work on an empty stomach.
Well, here.
Yay! A tomato! Hey, wait, why do I feel happy about vegetables? Is it because you like them?
Well, not right now. I'd rather eat a candy.
Oh. Well, let's at least finish that Tetraflexagon to cheer ourselves up. Guys, will you please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell button to support us in this difficult situation? I finally learned how to control my hands and finish drawing all the lines. What's next? Oh, cutting out. I need some practice. Okay, I think I got it now. Hands are easier to work with. Carefully now.
Is it coming out all right? Well done, Sammy. I brought a piece of colored paper to decorate the Tetraflexagon. One moment. This and this. Ah, what? Oh.
It's all right. What do I need to do? Stick them on?
I'll help.
Phew, that wasn't easy.
But we did it. There's just a little bit left to do.
I need to stretch my fingers.
Go, Sam! You can do it!
Listen, Sue, how can we switch our bodies back? I really prefer being a slime.
And I prefer being a human. It's late. Let's finish the Tetraflexagon and go to bed. Then we'll figure it out.
All right, Susie. Give me some glue, please.
Here, Sammy. Listen, it turns out that being a slime isn't easy, but it's a lot of fun. So springy and strong and all that.
And human hands can do so many different things. Incredible! Right, just a bit left. Done!
I'm so tired, I can't even look at the result. Let's leave it till tomorrow?
All right. What an adventure. Oh, wait! I'm myself again! Susie!
Good morning, Sammy.
I'm myself again!
Were you someone else?
Don't you remember how we switched bodies and all that?
What? No, it was probably a dream.
Well, could be. But was it really just a dream?